Hello dear student, in this video I want to talk about sketching the graph. سڵات لەوی خوێنکارە خۆشەویستەکان لەم ڤیدیۆیە هەوڵەیم باسی دروستکردنی گراف بکەین. First, sketching the graph to the linear function. Graph for the linear function you can take only 2 points. For example, 0, 1. For example, 0, 1. So x 6 minus 2x. Input 0 in the function, 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 0, 6 minus 0, so y is equal to 6. For 1, 6 minus 2 times 1 is equal to 2 times 1, 2, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So you have 2 points, 0, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 6, and 1, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And graph of the linear function, same like a straight line. So the graph of the function, done. Number 2, about sketching the graph of the quadratic function, quadratic equation like this. Diamond for the quadratic, inside equal to 0 means x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. Take 2 points smaller than 2, 3 and 2 points bigger than 2, 3. So x and x minus 3 power 2. Number 3, 2 points smaller than 2, 1, bigger than 4 and 5. Put in the function 1 minus 3 square, 2 minus 3 square, 3 minus 3 square, 4 minus 3 square, 5 minus 3 square. After that, we can evaluate by calculator or mentally. 1 minus 3 minus 2 power to 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1 power to 1, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1 power to 1, 5 minus 3 2 power to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 1 and 4. First point. 2, 1. Second. 3, 0. 4, 1. And 5, 4. 5, 4. The graph of the quadratic function like U shape. Like U shape. And done. Number 7, in the exercise you have absolute. For absolute, by the same way, inside equal to 0 means x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to negative 2. Take two numbers bigger than and smaller than. So x and absolute x plus 2 and y. Negative 2, smaller than negative 2, negative 3 and negative 4, bigger than negative 1, negative 0. So absolute minus 4 plus 2, absolute minus 3 plus 2, absolute minus 2 plus 2, absolute minus 1 plus 2, absolute 0 plus 2. So absolute now absolute negative 4 plus 2 is equal to negative 2, absolute negative 2 is equal to positive 2, negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, absolute negative 1 is 1, and 0, 1 and 2. So minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, Now take the point on the coordinate plane. -4 with 2, -3 with 1, and -2 0, and -1 1 0 2. So the graph of the absolute is like V shape, like V shape. And number 8 about square root function. For square root must be inside bigger than or equal to 0, يعني x plus 2 bigger than or equal to 0, so x is bigger than or equal to -2. So x and square root and y. And -2 bigger than to -2, for example -1, for example 0, for example 2, for example 7. Now -2 plus 2 and -1 plus 2 and 0 plus 2 and 2 plus 2 and 7 plus 2. So y? -2 plus 2 is 0, square root of 0 is 0, -1 plus 2 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, square root 0 plus 2 0, the 2, square root of 2 1.4, 2 plus 2 4, square root of 4 is 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, square root of 9 is 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. -1 -2 -3. -2 0. Now -2 0, -2 and 0 is the first point, -1 1, -1 1, second point, 0 0 1.4 144 تقريبا in here, 0 1.4, and 2 1 2 2 2 and 7 3, like eyebrow, and then number 9 about rational function. For the rational function must be inside equal to 0, means x equal to 0, so take 2 points smaller than and bigger than to 0. So you have x and 2 over x, so 0 smaller than to 0, -1 -2, bigger than to 0 1 and 2. Put in the function and find y. So 2 over -2, 2 over -1, 2 over 0, 2 over 1, 2 over 2. 2 over -2 is -1, 2 over -1 is -2, 2 over 0 is undefined, 2 over 1 is 2, and 2 over 2 is 1. Put in the coordinate plane, 0 1 2 and 3, -1 -2 -3 1 2 3, -1 -2 -2 first point, -1 -2 -1 and -2. 0 0 is undefined, so 0 is undefined, and 1 and 2 2 1 2 1. So the graph of the rational function like this. We have positive number and x power out, so the graph in the quadrant in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. دبروی گرافەکەمان ئەو دێکی پۆزیتیڤە کەواتەکەوتە کوادرانتی یەکەم و کوادرانتی سێمەوە، ئەمیشیان پۆزیتیڤە و پاوەر ئیڤنە کەواتارەکەتە کوادرانتی یەکەم و کوادرانتی سێمەوە. So first inside equal to 0, it means x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. So 1 x, 1 over x minus 1. Smaller than 2, 1, 0 and minus 1. Bigger than 2, 1, 2 and 3. So put in the function to find y. 1 over minus 1 minus 1, 1 over 0 minus 1, 1 over 1 minus 1, 1 over 2 minus 1, 1 over 3 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. 1 divide minus 2 minus 0.5. 1 divide minus 1 minus 1. 1 divide 0 is undefined. 1 divide 1 is 1. 1 divide 2 is 0.5. So minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and 0. Minus 1 minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 تقريبا in here. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 in here. 1 is undefined, so take the vertical line by vertical asymptote. And 2, 1, 2, 1, and 3, 0.5. 3, 0.5 in here. Take the sketch the graph, sorry, connect the point. Sketch the graph by connect the point. دائما is not intersect with the vertical asymptote and don't intercept with the x-axis. And done. Thank you so much. I hope you are successful inshallah. Iwadan بسركوتو بنص التوارق